Intimitiam obiniyam no ajesu ejim obiniyam ejim Ebusia lawyer Martin Kpebu ase ehu abono ngan ehu abo lawyer Martin Kpebu nim se onim se 2029 NPP betena kunya se dia ase lawyer Martin Kpebu kan semi concerning arrest detention any bail conditions are settima NPP for no enne se make arrest be bail condition dey mo so meet here anu e shintina se we kan how na idrisu eni mutaka Mohammed ebe kan ho asem eno ono so dey IMDC abekan bi o chense abana hwe ya debi no some people ba power Jesus confirm Yesu Kristo no ba begina as bail conditions e dey ase no koso be ba tribudo atere wa atere e dey aba me e wo comment section hi penya block media mess wa say dey mo other like video that my bro subscribe button and click notification icon of latest update and battery wa atere ma me e wo comment section oba so no check for so enya bi ahwe you know NDC ebetena konya so arrest in fact o ma ye bebre from Edubuahe to Chama to me just arrest there you are making so many arrests and you know some of the arrests you go into Rumble Star you go tuni ba crop no ko twitwa ne punu nyina obekai pokuase se oba ma pokuase you go twa ne punu nyina you go twitwa ne punu just you break it to obi fie said the ba kro ne hardened criminal bi a ye hia no Nas mega say here no say omebo police for near carry out investigations as you kwani ba cross say the hardened criminal bi say you declare no wanted aye nya ne nche no just say the mode of arrest make Ghana hanam in fact and toss mu I say criminal bi a wo dwane aye di ni denta aye nya ne nche no aye so be ban hweso say o hye ha aye akọ break it through akọche no wenya no for cry 1 week remand the bail conditions so the word we no dey ja you try to boom Chama won't remember 50 million bail conditions to meet with two sureties. I do one he case require as at now. Akwa something which is that asset. Attention acquire see attention acquire hono. I do one here money bail condition of 120 million Ghana cedis so omiti. Ne yere ya manere 80 million Ghana e bia won tell am old cedis. 120 million 8 is can 1.2 trillion. 80 million Ghana it is kind 800 billion. Yet you see currency o kambo mu a. Edubuahe ene na yere chi wo mu. Bail condition setima wo mu. 2 trillion old Ghana cedis with other sureties. Chese bail condition ye dey mu amount for ne no. Enye easy. Ye che TikToker. Ye tima TikToker 100,000 to this kind 1 billion. Then say Mahama Aminat ya che no twa 1 million Ghana cedis kind 10 billion and a man say wundia just say how I say the bail conditions as you drain amount for GC I mean say bail condition by other form of the other source of income for the government I don't know but you make arrest near the thing ba kra the bail condition dey man no matter easy meaning say bail na by other source of income to the government today I can't determine but this is what is happening you when ba bail conditions boom or simiti ama adoe abe something which is there na eno ana na nsiamu how na idrisu ene mutaka Mohammed omo head no see there be I don't know abana e wo power no you belong to this government but ene me question enye enti tamale sala ni mu ana how na this ekopie mu ewo panyin Baako ayiase na eye na se no ene wo de ensem ba ye se arrest ni detention ni be connection dey man I say in other way the bully the citizens enti abana emna ni na ho no mo.
But in Ghana today we have seen excesses from the police, excesses from the court, excesses from Ioko, denying persons bail and using bail as punishment for accused person. That is not law. It is tried knowledge and tried law that don't deny an accused person bail or ask an accused person to pay excessively as a punishment to the accused person if you uphold the right to a fair trial and uphold the right to innocence at trial, that every person is presumed innocent. So I expect that in Ghana today, we must end the high-handedness and excessiveness in matters relating to bail and its denial and its charges.
Okawe ya ana mutaka that's about Ghana parliament say there be I say yeah you see arrest detention any bail condition senseless. Uncle Olebu said a senseless arrest, senseless detention, and senseless bail conditions.
I've been working with the Minister of Justice and Attorney General in the constitutional amendment that is currently ongoing, that we should make remand very restrictive, because currently it is massively abused. With the least provocation, they say they've remanded somebody. You go to police, they remand people anyhow. Sometimes they give terrible bail conditions which people are not able to meet. We want to take the opportunity in this constitutional amendment to restrict this unnecessary remand. I'm sure if we're able to get these three things working together, it is going to help us to decongest our prisons and also ourselves and make life a little more better. The cost of maintaining them, in fact, feeding them alone requires 10 million a quarter. And so annually, we have to feed them with 40 million. Mr. Speaker, even the 40 million, hopefully inadequate. We want to thank His Excellency the President and the Finance Ministry for reviewing the what we call ration fee, which was 1 cedi 80 pesos to now 5 cedis. Even without 5 cedis, Mr. Speaker, we believe that that is woefully inadequate to feed an adult. Because if you take into consideration school feeding, caterers are giving, I think, about, 4 cedis, 50 pesos for a meal for children in basic school. Now we give 5 cedis for adults for 3 meals.
Just how to call you, and to assume. Okay. Sika ye twa to amon for 3 so a. Enye sika kuma ho. Sika imagine say the for hol me atwa 1.2 trillion edubo ahin out to 3 so. Imagine bail condition. Na de banko. 18 million sama for that can say there be any NDC for say mu fura ba mu ne je chimo de ne mu bail conditions. Mu go fa Yesu Kristo e na emra je sapa de a ye nya mo. Da sounds and sem no say akwama lawyer Martin Kpebu ebo ne hu ehurehuna say oro ki nyina no ehurehuna ana you know ono so yobi a okasadima NDC government as lawyer can you speak in the interest of the people, the Ghanaians, but no there or speaking in the interest of NDC. Boni bia no obi awo right to join in any political party that person prefers or the person wants. Boni bia ni ho say akwa akodu nanim no we don say NDC man hwe na man ka bia next time some people when you abandon so ba na so ba chi no mo chi a aho e be condition be man ntimi ntua Edule Martin Kpebu also ede no beto chire say abandon hwe yie how we see make arrest adeketu be akwachi adeketu bi doom so is back na akwachi ni kwakro na atwa sika boom at as base condition le Martin Kpebu abetra na adwena we ni nsem a oka
oh say the eya abroso de ampa no krende da ho e wo se eka eya abroso pa eya abroso nti say me di be mu akotene pa nti say sansem we basa na o say me ka ne pepe because ya anya ni sa unse kwa na mafo ya ye ne ye keti ekufu adoni yin se de ya abroso ya nhwe ya that NPP ba ye no mbeti o because say also almost say obeti say NPP fu bebre almost say omo ba ope bail and ye just say ukoyi Jesus ba bail condition no for Jesus bra e bi so say Jesus ukoyi Lucifer ene ne ekeka ho nti sanse me nke ndi agro because see dey see here na ama NPP ye didini anhwe ya dachi omo ba ebe ya asema ma ya ye ka ebu aban we ne ne ekeka ho nti ye nhwe na ne enye no ne akatra aban say enye because we cannot endanger our credibility. So no kure wo mu no ti sa abronye di na ya aproso. No kure wo mu ni say Baba Amando Abubakar Yakubu Sunyan constituency NPP ono so china ya ti ne free Sunyan de ne Bakra long distance and so na aproso. Okay, small girl na okay say me banka President JM on Kpebu no and say ya brusu ni bebre na ya brusu yen ka no krende ta ho e wo se ka yes me to ma JM me to ma na me da ho support ne ben kire say bibia JM aban be no pepepe ana papa ebi wo ho na nya ono kra de bia oka o se uhu ne anya aka eno na haru na edrusu aka no nti ekere ye bo security agencies no kokko say dey bi omunya abutre adabraka because omuya manebro so we are all in danger That NPP ba you be nyasem.
Lawyer wadawrumo me said the nim emrano said the moyeno. State institutions no me fan say bit say Ghana Police, Yoko, National Security, why woman ka ho no. Omo na womo kire bail condition ana say court no a.
Omo mienu. Inti me fan say one police. Uko police omo no say omo achi nipa yesi esimesi ana obenti edi boni bi. Inti the police chino call police aso ya. Na police ahwe say okay. Say me fan say there 100 million na yesi di Baako na fa aban sika. Okay. Inti say 100 million na police ahwe say oh ene my say e be 10% say ene fa bill 10 million bra. Ya ka fa bill 10 million bra. Enye sika na nkasa debi yenji sika ewo bill debi yenji sika kra so ambeka se net se kirewe japade bi a eye 10 million and I say ka se kirewe japade a most of the time no enye nipa na ya chin na nkasa but na dofo okay and I say oni adofo a ompe obi surety net so beti obi ka na nipa ne de ne japade about the city so the see awo right into security, okay, by Jessica and to bank, and our police are so yet, and our Yoko are so yet, baby. By a chini panana sika one, who I know ye just to and uncle. I'm a party say bail, ye zip bail sikano, ye guys are practice no. Okay, but it told be a court between a cafe, Fabra, the two court, and also intensity, bear war, maybe a nipani a foreigner, not if he's so big, and yeah, court between a cafe, okay. And a bill seeker with Fabra better court account to me. So yes, your best cases no a dear ni city. It is a be a simesi aquafa bicycle 100 million. Yes, baila. A be a shot it me the bill 200 million. A bill so a horse a be a sika cash pa which means say cash in a bidding in Semu and so ye will be the alpha. Oh, I don't yes. Police to me cast any 100 million so pepe. Be great to me the 20 bit so now 120. In the cases now different. But near hard in say you cast 100 million now. And son I'll be near Japadi 100 million no. Processes no oh you better say Okofa dying class and a bad. It be a problem no what it truly say. Say me find the police are chini panana pawi. Na say ochina na pa no so mama ni bill condition here 100 million just say coffee japade and our treasury bill a treasury bill crowd here and no ensure that yet and be contempt but nipa he no more treasury bill 100 million in breaking no a dan now cofa dan the bar this for call lands commission ekoye nhwehwemu ehu say ampa dan na nipa ni dia ba no ye ne dia nti ahoni na ewo se samra ne se nipa ne de dan ne banko ade a yenye nhwemu kakra na tete yankase yenfa ya adwen susu ehwe yebebisa amanfo omoti ho muni metimeti nti me fan se kwabna mafu no de ne dan 100 million aba yembisa area ho mohu kwabna mafu to ura dan we mu say some preliminary investigation so that I know that positive na me amani panepie because lands commission hono ko akoye search say dan here kwabna mafu dia enye nani ochina asem open nani ochina nso gidigidi sana e the corruption never because queue no wa nti pese e jump queue na ji say utu botomu na on say o solve one problem say obi afa ban sika nti ye so ano ye security ye power wa esi ho nso na we create another problem corruption because o pese officers from more land commission no omunye ni 10 o pe adeni 2 days 2 days omun know you know just we sika we afuno ma then you are creating a new problem nti bail conditions no the way on person verification no o person o verify o person o famra kwan so say ni pay ya o say o di japade aba ne die no say ampa no na create problem nti en solve a whole laws no ni who say officers ko no mu ku bisa o the tenancy agreement ba na chere say una wo de ade ya han obi and I say one person na utim utre pictures say one no yere no Mahmoud to dine no 5 years, how many years so no many penny PMra. Now you should moon and cosso. I could ban it and no cry. Then yet we are long say, wow, the class and buy no. So what that the seat of public officer. Ukraine beto. In Yamra craft for. Okofa fake document back. No, it's in a CPA. Now say a ban say fake. One can say honor the seat of public officer, police beto. So I think young Kukumu. But near the Musa to say, won't to me, dear, the Musa near Koshan class and Sunny, you know, and yet, saying you might be free. That's one example. That's one. Then number two, one in on the law, no, law now, you can want to section 96, okay, section 96 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act, okay. Act 30, ne brof within no say be your more Google obehu or here section 96 because the mrano so aka say me en fa bail no en fa ntwe obiaso abra court enyem bua no for nti say o mrano ye nwran nipa no bedam 2 weeks 3 weeks na ye da ho ye nhwehwemu o lands commission ye be evaluation nti kai so mo ye nhwehwemu ni no nko a o you come na mafu what the time pa na ka say 100 million what ma wa ka say 100 million no nya dia police na yoku beje tu mo ho on be ka si omo koye valuation nti value anon so no ni ejina ne constraint say ho so wo ka kidi because the ka say value say time with value bremi report not na because beje no e be wo so sin say oh ye ma value 5 days and 1 week. Nti ehwa no nso na e wose yes evaluation no ye ni kidi sana na manfo ka ne e titi ne nya eyi palpitations ne eyi eni nyina ehwa nyina ka na e doso no. Then number 3 boni ni bi wo kwa eye boni kuma nkitwa obeti say misdemeanor e omu say nsem na nipa na aka no emu onrem but ya hwe ehu say I'm not yet like Shatawa Lebeka. My mouth it be gone. Minim say announce to me the confusion by choice for me by trial. And ya no near to say Debia, a kakre be said near Kokasi or Rwanda at the Ntokwa by Pacho, Yano, a Bahasa na Yakui Nim Kakranti, Rwanda, and no net didn't talk about and Pacho, yen susu, to the Baya, Yabayana, Yamrana Queen. At least we know, say, Rwanda. Oko share say they will see more elections in your manimana and say Ghana ha Kabima Minkabi obi etime kire na adwene you know baby nti I don't want that Rwanda example though you nim so bia no obetime de ntokwa aba so the mremu no you say ne wo de wa no aka no eno no o mu se betime de ntokwa ka si aba ne you know but generally ne boni kuma misdemeanor nti no sa misdemeanor no ti say ne abro ye koye no yenhwe na bill no furthermore yenkukumu ni enkoye say ono abronye koye no na judge na law no so section 96 section 5 ni edidi abronye no kire say we di kan yenyembu ya ofo ba ye opo oku edu say we di bone na say ma o bill na upie ko na say we say akodi bone make us we di bone a yenyembu ya ofo but that's how we say it ordinary it media no ka say the bia ye chi obi say wa fatika ye ntwen ka say judge ni mu ya no for and say ya ka to kron for say di kan ti make us kron for or ya arm robber nti no bi na make am nti make us we di bone a minim say judge nyembu ya ofo but na ye kasa nti mra ne kire say we di ka di bone baako and yama obi upie ko no wasa ko di bone baako atu aso na ai mienu and yes ye do ba judge n'enim na second one no ne to su mienu no eno say that ye bua ofo e betimi do wa to fia 6 months or more and a judge betimi gina no so aka say on ma obi
Ubeta chira wadwe e de amame e wo comment section. I PENYAH Block Media. Aga.